Oh, there it goes. Hi guys, I'm taking a little break from Elite Dangerous today. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I picked up this from Ulta the other day. This is NYX Liquid Suede 30-piece set. Yep, lip colors of all kinds. It was on sale for $32. It used to be $65. I was on my way out the door at Ulta and I saw this and I thought, oh my gosh, how can I pass this up? No, I don't need all of these shades. I mean, particularly this. Okay, yes, I know, I don't need them, but everything's here. It's amazing. And today I thought, why not try every single shade from this 30-piece set? Here's the back. These are new shades at the bottom. I don't get NYX Liquid Suede very often. Maybe I have one. It's probably purple because my favorite color is purple. Let's open this up. I've got some wipes. These cheap wipes, these are comparable to Neutrogena makeup remover towelettes. I don't see any difference. They're just as good and they're cheap. You get a whole bunch of them. And I'm gonna need a bunch of them because I got 30 colors to go through here. And these things don't come off of your mouth easily. Let's just get started.
I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready, yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop the first time that.
See what I mean? That came off very easily.
You stood me up, I wasn't ready, yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still craving for. I'm still wanting more, yeah. I know just what to do, but still I want all of you. Oh please, give my heart a break. It's more than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you will change, but suddenly you're gone.
I'm getting sloppy with how I'm putting it on. My lips are gonna fall off. Why did I decide to do this? With the right eyeshadow. That's right, foul mouth. Oh, I like that. I look like I'm dead.
I'm falling, don't know what it
The name of this one fits me perfectly.
is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance. dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes.
I have little lips. Sometimes I try to make them bigger by overdrawing them, but that time I went too far.
I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5.
It's a pretty nude shade, but because my mouth is so red, it just looks... Hold on a second. I tried to tone down some of the redness that I created on my mouth. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me try on 30 shades of NYX Cream Suede Lipstick. My face just totally washed out. I tried all of these shades on and I liked most of them. Although I don't know what I would do with this one, which is industrial, but I think I would mix it with something else and make like an ombre look. I don't know, just create something different. This one is the same way. I'll probably combine it with something else and create like a highlight and make an ombre. I kind of like the purples. This, probably all of these. I like everything. Let me know what your favorite color was in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. You guys take care out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, I need to put some lip balm on my mouth.
Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. 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 Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away.